Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So I'm super excited to share with you guys. We finally got our own home. So we've been working on this for quite a long time, actually 20 years to be exact. So next month, September 1st, will be 20 years in business. And we finally got our own shop. So this is it. So we want to show you the beginning. So this is what we're starting with. So here we have this wall. This wall will be coming down because we want an open floor plan, just like we had at our previous shop on North Avenue. So this is the front of the building. So we actually will be eliminating this wall here, and so that all the offices are exposed. We will be changing all the lighting, brand new doors, windows, epoxying the floor, electrical, basically everything. So we'll be working on it, and we're gonna document it all and bring you guys all along for the ride. Half and half. So basically garage space is only on this side in the center, and then obviously like offices, it's gonna go up here. Let's walk through. Like I talked about, I want stations and carts for everything. Like everything's gotta be on wheels. So the movable, everything. So that's what I'm saying. So that's why I think that's a good setup, and it'll be efficient. It'll be more efficient that way too, because now you don't have to walk far. Everything will be within your bay, right? Within your space. Will be your toolbox roughly where the door is, so that it's a workstations like we talk about, right? All your racks can be here, like you can have a rack on either side. Your toolbox, I think it'll be a better. This is what I always wanted. We tried it at North Avenue in the beginning, right? And it helped us because we tried it because we had to, because they took half our shop and we had to make do with like quarter of the size of this, and we still got 5 cars, 6 cars, 5 cars.
Yeah, something like that.
5 cars. So it was kind of a necessity. That's when I bought all the toolboxes. Everybody had the same toolbox, all that, because we needed to have some ideas for that, but I have to make sure that.
Would it only be over this section?
No, it supports weight the entire lane. We're gonna unless you got what's your idea? Why do you ask? Come on over here. Let's grab some. Can you grab the paper? So all the electrical over there will be ran by that fuse box.
Don't touch the wire.
Yeah, well, you can touch them. I don't know what'll happen to you, but you can touch them. Because there's a lot of space. This is a big ass room. So it would come to about, either here or even like here, to make this office or whatever much smaller. And then also to make this a little room, this little space here, and that would be the laser room. So like the laser, the digitizer, like all that stuff would be in this space. That's the idea. And then obviously from here that way is all fab. We're gonna get rid of that thing. And then fabrication will be this entire room, which is 45 feet. Our current one is 25 feet. So this is 20 feet deeper than our old one. And our old one was like 12 feet deep, I think, or 14 feet deep. No, 12 feet deep. This one's like 14 or 15 feet deep. So basically it's a lot bigger than what we currently have. And the best thing right now is AC. This is the only AC that works right now.
Yes.